The chicken and the egg. Which came first? This question has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. It represents a classic paradox, a circular problem with no clear starting point. The ancient Greeks pondered this riddle, highlighting the complexities of cause and effect. Plutarch, a Greek writer and historian, even dedicated an entire essay to this conundrum, demonstrating its enduring allure. The chicken and egg dilemma is more than just a trivial brain teaser. This seemingly simple question has profound implications for our understanding of life's origins and the process of evolution. It forces us to think about the gradual, incremental nature of change over vast stretches of time. The question challenges us to look beyond simple answers and embrace the intricate web of life's history. The chicken and egg question isn't about identifying a definitive winner. Instead, it's a gateway to exploring the fascinating story of evolution. It prompts us to consider how species change and adapt over time. By unraveling this age-old puzzle, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible journey of life on Earth. To understand the answer, we need to dive into the world of evolutionary biology. The first chickens didn't simply appear out of thin air. They evolved over millions of years from earlier bird ancestors. These ancestors, like most reptiles, amphibians, and fish, reproduced by laying eggs. So, eggs were around long before chickens walked the earth. This simple fact alone points to the egg as the clear front-runner in our timeless riddle. Eggs as a method of reproduction predate chickens by a significant margin. The evolutionary lineage leading to chickens involved a series of genetic changes. These changes gradually transformed ancient bird-like creatures into the chickens we know today. However, throughout this long process, the fundamental mechanism of laying eggs remained consistent. This demonstrates that eggs are an ancient and essential part of the reproductive process for a vast array of species. The evolution of the chicken involved changes in physical characteristics, behaviors, and genetics. However, the core biological function of laying eggs remained unchanged. This underscores the fundamental role of eggs in the reproductive success of countless species over millions of years. Therefore, from an evolutionary standpoint, the egg undeniably predates the chicken, solidifying its position as the first in this enduring paradox. So how did we get from eggs to chickens? The story takes us back to the jungles of Southeast Asia. Here, a wild bird called the red junglefowl roamed freely. This ancestor of the modern chicken laid eggs, just like its predecessors. Around 8,000 years ago, humans began domesticating these junglefowl. They selectively bred birds with desirable traits like size and egg production. This domestication process led to the gradual emergence of the chicken as we know it today. Through generations of selective breeding, humans shaped the chicken's genetics, leading to the diverse breeds we see now. However, despite these changes, the chicken never lost its fundamental connection to its egg-laying ancestors. The domesticated chicken, despite its human-induced transformation, still relies on the same reproductive mechanism that has served its species for millennia. The chicken's story is a testament to the power of domestication and its impact on the evolution of species. It also highlights the enduring role of the egg as a cornerstone of avian reproduction. The chicken, in essence, is a product of human intervention, but its existence is still fundamentally intertwined with the primordial egg. Section 4, the verdict, egg takes the crown. So the verdict is clear, the egg came first. It's a scientific truth rooted in the grand narrative of evolution. Chickens, as we know them, are a relatively recent arrival on the evolutionary stage. Eggs, on the other hand, have been a driving force in the survival and propagation of countless species for millions of years. The chicken is simply a later chapter in the long and fascinating story of the egg. The chicken and egg question, while entertaining, ultimately leads us to a straightforward answer. Scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports the egg as the predecessor. Understanding this answer requires us to appreciate the vast timescales involved in evolutionary processes. The chicken is a product of these processes, but the egg is a fundamental element that predates the chicken by a significant margin. The chicken and egg debate, though definitively answered by science, served as a valuable tool for stimulating curiosity about the natural world. It encourages us to think critically about seemingly simple questions and delve into the complex and captivating story of life on Earth. Ultimately, the journey of exploration is just as important as the destination, and the chicken and egg conundrum provides a perfect starting point for this journey. Section 5. The bigger picture, evolution's grand tapestry. The chicken and egg debate extends beyond a simple biological question. It highlights the interconnectedness of all life forms. Evolution is a continuous process, a grand tapestry woven through countless generations. The chicken and its egg are but a single thread in this intricate tapestry, connected to countless other threads representing the vast diversity of life on Earth. Understanding the primacy of the egg in this scenario allows us to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living organisms. We're all part of a continuous chain of life stretching back billions of years. The chicken and the egg are merely a small but fascinating part of this grand narrative. They remind us that life is a constant process of change, adaptation, and diversification. The chicken and egg story serves as a microcosm of the grand evolutionary saga. It underscores the importance of looking beyond individual species and recognizing the broader patterns that govern life on our planet. By understanding these patterns, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and our place within this grand tapestry. Section 6. So, why does it matter? Why does this seemingly simple question matter? Because it forces us to confront the vastness of time and the power of evolution. It reminds us that the world around us is not static, but constantly changing and adapting. The chicken and the egg are a powerful symbol of this ongoing process, a reminder that life is a journey of constant transformation. By understanding the answer to this age-old question, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and wonder of the natural world. We begin to see the interconnectedness of all living things and the intricate processes that have shaped life on Earth for billions of years. The chicken and the egg, in their own simple way, encapsulate this grand narrative. So the next time you encounter a chicken or an egg, remember the evolutionary journey they represent. Let it spark your curiosity about the natural world and inspire you to explore the vast tapestry of life on Earth. The chicken and the egg, in their own unique way, offer a gateway to understanding the grand story of evolution.